Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this stunning Range Rover Westminster in Santorini Black. This car has a black pack, giving it a real sporty appearance. You have 22-inch gloss black alloys, along with privacy glass, keeping your personal items more secure. A powered tailgate, which is useful if you've got your hands full. As you can see, you've got plenty of space there in the boot for things such as golf clubs and pushchairs. An electrically deployable tow bar, which saves time and effort attaching one, and is great for towing things like caravans, boats and jet skis. Going round and into the front of the vehicle, you have illuminated Range Rover script tread plates and a lovely leather interior, which is easy to clean. A sliding panoramic roof, great for letting in more light and really nice to open on a sunny day or just for some fresh air. You also have a cooler compartment, handy if you go on long journeys and want to keep refreshments cold. Heated front seats, which are a luxury especially in winter. And you do also have heated seats in the back, ensuring all your passengers have a luxury journey. If I put the car into reverse, you'll see you've got a rear view camera, making parking and reversing a lot easier. Touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with valet mode, enabling you to lock the screen so a valet can only access your climate control. You also can control your tow bar from inside the car, which saves you even having to get out. And you have ambient lighting with various different colours to choose from, which looks effective in the dark. You do also have controls on your wheel, so you have a speed limiter, lane departure warning and cruise control. They're really helpful for motorway driving. A heated steering wheel, definitely a must on a cold winter morning. Memory seats, perfect if there's several people driving the car. And a Meridian sound system for better quality sound. You also have head-up display, enabling you to keep your eyes on the road. And you can adjust the brightness, positioning and content that you want to see in front of you, depending on your own preference. And this car is brand new, therefore it's only done 4 miles. Stepping back outside the car, you also have soft door close. That was a stunning Range Rover in Santorini Black. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 899 446. Thank you.